Recording voices with your phone makes life easy. You can make a note without having to write it down. You can conduct an interview without a lot of gear, or you can record a lecture to reference later. But if you're here watching this video, then that means you're not sure what the best way to record your audio on your phone is. These are the best mobile apps for recording audio for both iPhone and Android, and these apps will let you not only record audio, because of course they all have that function, but also enhance your audio recordings with notes, advanced sharing features, and much more. Voice memos. Every iPhone still comes with a default recording app installed. This basic Apple app does what you need to do in terms of recording audio with an easy to understand, no-nonsense interface. Just hit the big red record button. It comes with some basic audio editing like trimming, but otherwise editing in the app is incredibly limited. In terms of sharing, the fact that you can sync the files to iCloud means that they'll be easy to bring onto a computer if you work in the Apple ecosystem. There are also limits of how large an audio file you can share, but this app is pre-installed, so it's definitely the easiest to use. Voice Recorder and Audio Editor. Voice Recorder and Audio Editor is a free app with a few legs up on voice memos. Unlike some other apps, this one is truly free, with unlimited recordings as long as you have space on your phone. You can add notes to your recordings, upload them to iCloud or using any other sharing method, and export in multiple audio formats. In terms of editing, it has basic trimming, but also the ability to change playback speed and skip ahead in the recording while reviewing it. If you opt for a paid subscription, you can also record incoming and outgoing phone calls on your device using a third call participant, which is their recording line. They also have a paid speech-to-text feature if you want to transcribe your recordings. This app is a good choice if you're looking for another free option with the ability to pay more for those premium features later on. Audio Share. It may cost $3.99, but Audio Share is worth every penny for those who will use its features. Of course, this app allows for recording in the app, but it also supports importing audio from other apps and sources. Its main feature is that it has a robust file organization function. In terms of editing, you can trim, apply fades, and normalize audio. This app is obviously aimed at people who use their Apple devices for music production, as it works with Audio Bus compatible apps, Audio Bus being a service that lets various audio apps communicate with each other. So an audio organizing app like this is essential for those who use apps this way, especially considering how strict the file system on iPhones can be. Awesome Voice Recorder. AVR costs $4.99 but has a lot of robust audio features. It has background recording, unlimited recording time, and plenty of recording quality and file options. It does have basic editing tools along with the ability to combine audio files. One of the key features is noise reduction, which can help remove unwanted background noise from your recordings. Default apps. While iPhone users get the Voice Memos app by default, that is not necessarily the case for Android users. That decision is up to the manufacturer of the phone, and not all of them will include such an app. In general, you can expect the default apps to be free, have basic editing, some speech-to-text features, background recordings, and no ads. And lastly, there will of course be robust sharing features. Voice Recorder. Voice Recorder is a free recording app that is perfect for anyone who doesn't like the pre-installed app, but doesn't need advanced functionality. It has a simple interface with a big red record button and a few settings such as an adjustable sample rate, recording in the background with a display off, and a wide variety of sharing options. It also has adjustable gain on the microphone in case your microphone is too quiet or too loud. It has high quality recordings compared to other apps, so you can always expect a clear and crisp recording. The only downside is small ads, but it's understandable since the app is free. Easy Voice Recorder. This app puts the easy in Easy Voice Recorder. It has a basic interface that lets you record in the background as well as save in various formats, then share in a variety of other apps. The app is free, but has a Pro version for $3.99. The Pro version is a nice level up that adds additional file formats, boosts the recording volume, convert file formats, trim with basic editing, import files, and more. It may not be flashy, but it's a streamlined process that does what you need it to do. RecForge 2. RecForge 2 is a free audio recorder that packs a bunch of features. You can use external microphones, adjust gain manually, schedule recordings, extract sound from videos, and more. It includes a wide variety of export formats with many settings such as bitrate, and has basic editing features and the ability to merge recordings. There is a Pro version for $3.49 that unlocks some of these features, but the basic functionality exists in the free version. If you try out any of these apps, let us know what you liked and didn't like about them. And if you want more app recommendations for iPhone and Android, make sure to subscribe to FilterGrade, and check out our other videos like editing photos in apps like Lightroom Mobile. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit FilterGrade.com today.